Oh, dali na. Oh.
Yeah, check for your watch, Gustav. You might have lifted it.
I love this dress. How come I never see you wear it? Because when I wear it, it's a shirt. So what's Howard doing tonight? Oh, the Oliver with Leonard to confront his childhood bully. Oh, terrific. High school quarterback against 4 athletes. When Leonard gets back, I'd love to check his serotonin levels. Do you think he'd let me draw a syringe full of his blood? Well, he's not crazy about needles, but if you get him to go jogging, it'll just pour out of his nose.
Paano? Baliktad.
Oh, help mo si Bobby.
Oh.
Thanks ate. Hindi, pinatay lang niya ng yun. Oh. Bobby, where are slippers na? Bobby.
Bobby! There's slipper. Let's go out.
Hayaan mo maglalakad lang kahit ganyan. Ano yan, ano yan.
Help? Hindi. Bawal help.
Bawal help.
Paglaki mo, ganyan ka lang palagi.
Dali. Ay! Bobby! Slippers! Dali, oh. Kanina nagawa niya. Hindi ko lang na-videohan. Ayun, oh. Oh, ito, Bobby, oh.
Nakakatawa yung ano, di ba, lumakan na.
Shoot mo kasi. Ayan. O, ayan na. Shoot na. Oh. Ay.
A little bit of help. Inside, okay na yan. Ayun.
Magalakad na sabi ko sa'yo. Galing-galing ni Bobby na, no? Big girl na.